Hello everyone, good morning. Today I will deal with the topic Unveiling Literary Horizons, the resplendent rise of novels in modern narratives. What I mean about resplendent rise because the glorious rise of novels in we can say it is connected with modern narratives. These are my personal information. These are the topics which I delve deeper into this presentation. So let's first discuss introduction. What is the we can say the meaning of novel? So novel is an invented prose narrative of considerable length and a certain complexity that deals imaginatively with human experience, usually through a connected sequence of events involving a group of person in a specific setting. We can say that there are a series of stories or short stories or plots or subplots in under one title. This is called a novel. Its roots can be traced back thousands of years, though its origins in English are traditionally placed in 18th century. This was mentioned in this was I taken from Britannica. Origins of the novel. English novel gained popularity in 18th century, but it traces back to 612 before Christ with the epic of Gilgamesh. We can say this is the epic which inspires novelists to, that how to convey the right message from storytelling. That early literary influences that we can say that Homer wrote Greek epics like the Iliad and the Odyssey. So in this by this Iliad and Odyssey, Homer inspires many novelists to write and he just throw light on the path that how to write a proper plot or how to create how to make a setting of the novel, and how to develop characters. Virgil's Beowulf and Aeneid and influenced John Milton's Paradise Lost, and Virgin's Beowulf inspires that how to convey the themes like we can say that the pride and the characters, how to depict characters. So they inspire many novelists to describe the characters in such a manner. John Milton's Paradise Lost inspires many novelists to describes that how to connect the storylines and how to convey the message from the characters. This I taken from Choita's article. We feel that there are three or four types of novel, but there are many types of novel that I mentioned in this slide, and I taken from the Britannica: historical, Picaresque, sentimental, gothic, psychological, novel of manners, epistolary, pastoral, Roman enclave, anti-novel, cult, detective, mystery, thriller, western, fantasy, and proletarian. These are all the types of novel which we can find. These four are considered as a major novelists in the development of a novel. They are also considered the four wheels of English novel: Toby Smollett, Samuel Richardson, Henry Fielding, and Lawrence Sterne. We can say that Samuel Richardson gave a new path by writing Pamela Virtue Rewarded, and other three also write very well about novels, and give another path to genre. 18th century as the birth of the novel. 18th century, we can say that in this century the novel was just birth, and just it emerges the as a new genre. Widely recognized as the period of novels birth, growth, and development. Literary predecessors from the 17th century including Bunyan, Chaucer, Mallory, Cervantes, and Boccaccio. There are the predecessors of, and they just inspires the novelist. 18th century writers utilized opportunities to experiment and contribute to the novel as a literary genre. That what factors, let's discuss that what factors favoring the rise of the novels. Like increase in literacy rate during the 18th century. Like people like to read the novels, and tries the different genres for reading. Impact of industrial revolution. At that time we can find that industrial revolution mark many inspires many novelists. Like we can say that Charles Dickens hard times, we can find that industrial depiction in the novel. Rise of middle class. Middle class peoples are good readers of, and they just encourage novelists, and their lives, their ambitions also encourages the novelist. Emergence of libraries provided favorable conditions for novel growth. Traditionalism in literature. Traditional storytelling focused on familiar characters like Hercules and Adam and Eve was key to literary success. Influence of Alexander Pope. Alexander Pope's dictum, the proper study of mankind is man, influenced the interest in studying exploration of human characters. 18th century novels focused on exploring human characters rather than that imaginative characters. They just try to write about a reality of that time. Real life characters were created by novelists, departing from the fantastical elements of a romance's human character. We can find in the romantic age, they were just fed up with this reality, so they just try to back towards nature, and they just try to imagine and depict the nature. Post 18th century novels. Sorry. In the 19th century, which came to be known as the romantic poets, return to the nature. As I mentioned earlier, the romantic poets generated the idea of nature and to return back to nature. It contrasted with 18th century poets and nature. We can find that how it we can say that the novels in we can connect in modern narratives. So in J.K. Rowling Harry Potters, we can find that there are a number of in Gothic novel, we can say that J.K. Rowling's Harry Potter, we can find that there are Gothic many elements like Gothic novels, like supernatural elements, that heroic elements, depiction of hero in this Kazuo's Ishiguro's Never Let Me Go. In this novel we can also, and this is the novel Nobel Prize winning novel, and it is the best seller novel. That in this we can find also that many themes of we can find a depiction of modern society, and there is some connect society, and we not only in these novels, but in modern literature we also find that there are some literatures who just follow the traditional form of novels, and there are some literature genres which are depicting society. And as we know that literature is a mirror of society, so we can find that in these are the two examples of that. In conclusion, we can say that the rise of the novels in the past, beautifully revealed in literary history, has paved the way for the vibrant world of modern narratives. Today's novels continue this rich tradition, exploring the diverse themes, like embracing new perspectives and captivating readers with replacement storytelling. In today's novelists are inspired by they are inspired by Homer, they are inspired by Alexander Pope, that how to correctly tell a story. And we can say that they also depict that this AI in their novels and in their literature. The journey from the classics to contemporary novels showcases the enduring power of storytelling in shaping our understanding of the world. By reading, we can understand that what happening in around us. These are some references, and thank you. If you have any question, feel free to ask.
Pallavi, my question is, can you highlight the influence of technology on the evolution of novel writing in recent years?
Yes, Priyanshi. Yes, we can say that technology influence writing, not only novel but all the genres. We can find that there are depiction of that AI tools and that in the industries, and we can say that technology and writers also now they not need to any publisher or they just printing press. They just write their content in Google Docs or in any other like Microsoft Word, and they just anyone wants to do it collaboratively, they just make it collaboratively with the tools which we have, and they can publish like we have that one platform like Kindle. They just publish there, and other Indian is a Pratilipi, or other we have that Vritco platform. These are the platforms when we can publish our book also. So now writers are free from this printing press or that all the physical stuff. They can upload it on technology, and they can, we can say that they can promote it on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube. Yes. uh, any other question?
Pallavi, in modern times, novels, can we find gothic elements?
Yes, as I mentioned that in modern times that there are novelists who just follow the this traditional storytelling and traditional way to convey the messages and create a plot. So if there is one novel, Indian novel, I just know that in Indra Das the Devourer. In this novel, we can find that there are heroic elements, there are supernatural elements, and there are depiction of we can say that in a gothic way, as gothic novels goes on, there are some elements which we can feel that this is the gothic elements we feel in this novel, The Devourer by Indra Das. Yes. Okay, thank you.